So all my videos I've been teaching people how to grow, how to prune, when to harvest. And in this video I'm gonna harvest a gray zucchini and I'm gonna cook it, stir fry, and I'm gonna use one of my favorite Caribbean vegetable seasoning, which gives one of the best flavors. The garden right here is a beautiful gray zucchini, harvest between 4 to 6 inch. Some of the ingredients we're gonna need, it's some olive oil, salt. You could use whatever salt you want. We're gonna sprinkle some basil leaves, some parsley, and this right here. This is my favorite Caribbean seasoning. And I'm gonna leave in a link in the description box so you could get your hand on these. And black pepper is optional if you want it a little bit of spicy. And the Guinness is for me. Please do not add the Guinness. Of what I do, I normally like to cut this off like that and then cut out the bottom piece. See that? These part, I cut them up small and I compost them so nothing go to waste. So normally you could slice them in circle pieces, but it take a longer time to cook. So what I do, I split it. You could split it in 2 pieces like this, or if you wanted to cook it faster, you could split it in 4 pieces. I'll show you. So I split them this way. It stir fry fast, and I do not overcook my vegetables. I like to have them a little bit of crunchy. And basically I cut them smaller pieces. This way they cook fast, stir fry fast. And my little non-stick frying pan, and we're gonna turn this up about, I like a little, we're gonna go number 4, which is a little medium. It's not hot. And see, electric stove burner, see that? So we don't have much veggies there. We're only doing 1. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our olive oil and pour some oil in here. So while the oil is preheat, I'm gonna take a sip of the Guinness. Even if it's not hot, I'll toss it in. And then I'll turn the heat up a little bit more, tad up. I can start heating it already. I don't want it too hot, and then when you turn it in, it burns the veggie like right away at the bottom. I don't want to do that. So as I could hear the noise, what I'll do, I just kind of turn everything up, let everything is coated with the oil. I do not go with a measuring spoon or anything like that because I'm old school. We just average. So I'm gonna show you how I'm averaging. Literally, I might just do a pinch of everything. What I'll do first, our veggie seasoning, I just sprinkle it all over. You could go extra with this because it adds so much flavor, and I don't mind. And then I just do a coating of salt, and then sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. Listen, if you don't like black pepper, you don't have to put it. Some parsley, just give even like a little flavor, extra taste, and it looks a little bit more nice, right? And then basil gives a nice flavor. And what we do after that, with Chef Green Tea, we could just do this. I can't do that. I just go old school. So as it's cooking, it looks amazing and smell. I wish you guys could smell this. This is really good. 4th of July, I did a big tray and everybody was impressed about it. Everybody's like, wow, it's amazing. But it's not just the seasoning alone. It's the whole idea that it just literally harvests from the backyard. It's fresh, it's organic, it's soil and compost, and with Green Tea Garden love, and all of you guys who are watching my video love, makes everything delicious. So it's been about close to a minute and a half to 2 minutes. We're gonna do 1 more minute and this is done. And this is done, baby. The reason why I get it up fast, because I cut it thin slice, and the inside will be like a little soft tender. The outside is a little bit of crunch, but not too much. It's just perfect. So that's finished product. I'm telling you, it's well seasoned. The flavor is nice. It's not too salty. It's not bland. It's really, really delicious, flavorful. And we're gonna test a piece. Wow, a little bit of crunch, but just cooked perfect and juicy and delicious. And my daughter, as soon as she get back here, she's gonna start eat. I'm checking the, sorry guys, I gotta eat. I'm a big fan of my veggies, especially what I grow in the backyard. And check in the description box. I'm gonna leave all the details of all the ingredients that I use, and I'm gonna leave the Caribbean ones so you could go ahead and get that. And if you guys, and if you want to share your recipe with us, don't be afraid. You're always welcome to share it. Just comment below, and the whole world, hopefully the whole world would see.